So, good morning to all the jury members. Good morning to all the friends and teammates present here. So, our project, my name is Swaroop, and I'm from CSE AIDS department. Our teammates are Jaswanth, he's also from the same department, Narendra, Akshitha from the same department, Naveen, and ShivPrasad from CSE General. So, we are here to present about digital e-vault. So, if you are familiar with law records and stuff, you would already know that every law record is separately kept in a physical file, which is not safe and which is not efficient in this day and age of digital technology. So we are coming up with a solution for having a digitalized, decentralized law record management system, that is C-lock, which is short form for case lock. It's a completely blockchain based one. We'll be explaining it right now. So Narendra will take up with the explanation of it. Narendra, are you there?
Yeah,
Hello?
I'm ready.
Yeah,
Good
please carry
morning to
on.
all. Good morning to all jury members and mentors, and also our team members. A case log. It is shortly C-log. It is a blockchain-based legal record management system. It is a groundbreaking project designed to transform the way legal records are stored, accessed, and managed. The innovation evolved application leverages Hyperledger Fabric, a permissioned blockchain framework to provide secure, transparent, efficient storage and retrieval of legal records for clients, judges, and lawyers. Our case log is especially for Ministry of Law and Justice. Our teammate will continue this session.
So, blockchain-based legal record management system is completely based on Hyperledger Fabric. It's the blockchain system we have selected because Hyperledger Fabric is a private blockchain. It's not a public one, first of all. So, whatever information we have stored in a Hyperledger Fabric, it will be stored in a channel-based system. So, the people who are in the channel, who are peers in the channel, only have the access to whatever files in the system. So it's very parallel to the law records management system in the, even in the physical law record management system. Whatever files or evidences, whatever stuff which is available for a particular case, it's only accessible to the lawyer, the client, and the judge, which can be paralleled here without anybody's intervention. And it will be shared based on authorization. So only people with the permission of the lawyer and judge, the client, can access it. Similarly, vice versa, the same thing can be happening. So the technology which we are using for this project will be discussed by Naveen. Yeah, Naveen.
Good morning to all the juries. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
you are
Am
audible
I
you
now.
audible? All right then. Now I'm going to take about the topic technology stack. Here, as per my leader suggested, we are using the blockchain technology of Hyperledger Fabric, which is which is we had two choice. Either we used either Ethereum or Collage, but we had chosen Hyperledger because of its simplicity and flexibility, and also it's an open-based source. And for chain code, we used Golang or Node.js, but we decided to use Java because we are going for the app-based application, and so we are using JavaScript or Java. For database, we are using CouchDB or LevelDB, or we can use even MongoDB for some faster database accessibility. For identity and access management, we are using suggested Hyperledger. For encryption and privacy, we are using zero knowledge proof for safety purposes. And that's all I'm suggesting and handing over to leader.
So I would like to add for that the encryption and privacy is zero knowledge proofs, and also the identity and access management is handled by Hyperledger Indy, which is also a sub part of Hyperledger. So it provides you to maintain a separate profile and have your own digital identity, which will be helpful for granting access for any file, for any editing, or even just joining in a case file too. So that's why we have chose Hyperledger. It's convenient for this case and for this structure. And there's one more thing which will be discussed by Akshita and Shiva right now about the use cases and dependencies. Akshita and Shiva, are you guys?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, we are ready.
Yes,
Yeah,
we are.
Shiva.
Yeah, we are ready, Swaroop.
So now we will see the use cases. First one is law firm record management, and in there, a law firm can securely store and manage their clients' legal records, ensuring the data privacy and integrity. Lawyers can easily access the case files and contracts of other documents. Benefits are improved organization and streamlined collaboration. And next one is court case management. Courts can use the system case records, enabling the judges to access the documents digitally. Notifications can remind parties of upcoming hearings and deadlines. And third one is legal client access. Legal client can access the case records, review documents, and communication securely with their lawyers about their problems. Benefits are empowered clients, and enhanced communication, legal compliances, and auditing. The use of this is the system generates comprehensive complications, reports, audit trials using legal professions, doc, uh, demonstrating the requirements. And the last one is document retrieval and verification. Lawyers and judges can easily and quickly retrieve specific legal documents, verify their authenticity using blockchain-based records. Benefits are these are time-saving and reduced errors. These are the uses of this app app-based system, which are used by blockchain technology. Thank you. And next, Akshita can continue.
Yeah, good morning to the jury members over there, present over there. Myself, Akshita, and I'm going to tell about the dependencies of these. And the first dependencies comes to the blockchain technology. What is exactly blockchain? Now I wanted to tell about just the background about the blockchain. The blockchain is distributed database comprising records of transactions or digital events. It is just about the background and has been executed and shared among the participants, like whatever is needed, that will be used by the blockchain, and it is a database. And next comes the scalability. The scalability is just the ability to platform the support increasing load of transition. It is the ability to platform the support increasing as well as increasing the number of nodes. Like it may be number of transitions. The scalability just tells about the number of transitions. That's it. And next comes to the integration challenges. Technical, what is integrating challenge? Despite of its potential benefits and everything, technical complexity and it creates an immutable record of transition that can be used to optimize business processes and enhance security and maintain the trust between the stakeholders. Many members will be using this. This integration challenges will.
Ma'am, did the
Yes, please continue.
hello?
Swaroop, you just continue, ma.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. So, guys, we have stopped at the integration challenges. There was one more problem state in the problem statement. There was one more thing which was given. We need to integrate the app with whatever existing case management systems provided. So we even thought about adding the whatever existing case management systems into the app as a feature so that they can even log in stuff and put it there. One more thing is the user adoption and training. Whatever app we are developing, we will provide the documentation of the app. Along with that, we will have a certain page in the app where the user can look into all the stuff which he can access in the app. Whatever stuff he can get his hands on, he can view it in the app. Similarly, digital identity management, as I've said before, the whole blockchain system of Hyperledger allows the user to have a digital profile. Based on the digital profile, we can assign roles to the user, and we can give him access to a certain situations and certain scenarios. So we'll use that to our advantage here in the app by providing each and every user a certain role. Like judge will have his role where he can view his case files and go through the case files and add quick summaries of whatever case sessions he has handled on that day. Similarly, lawyer can log in the client, get the client in the case, and like present all the evidences in the file, which is the main reason we are developing this app for. Let me just switch the, yeah. One second, no, present screen share. Is it visible? Slide, no slide వస్తుంది. Security, data privacy and security is also like each and every blockchain is encrypted using hashing. On top of it, we are integrating it to an app based system, so it will be already having encryption because Java language is have oops concept has encryption inbuilt, so we can use all the Java encryption and the hashing which will be provided inbuilt in any blockchain using the smart contracts. And that's about the showstoppers and uniqueness of the app. We'll go with the UI now. So this will be the account page, the user login page where the user can log in. And from here, he'll be redirected to the selection page where he can select whether he's a lawyer, judge, or a client. Based on the user selection, he'll be sent to the client view where he can view the case details of the case he's currently handling, or the lawyer and judge view where they'll be getting a whole summary of all the cases they have handled on that day. And from there the lawyer can maintain his own lawyer profile, and if we click on the case file, they can get a brief case review which can be edited by the lawyer or the judge. So the access will be as such, the case overviews and the files can be only retrieved and edited with the permission from either the judge, the lawyer, or client. They need to unitedly make the decision of editing or uploading or downloading, because every case, whether it be criminal or any personal case, it's completely about having privacy when it comes to the evidences and documents and making them as secure as possible. So in this app, we have decided to make it very much secured for the client to get the justice he's requiring. Thank you very much to everyone. Yeah, if you anybody, if you are having any questions, we are open to answers.
Am I audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Swaroop, it was nice.
Thank you.
You have chosen a topic well, but few things I wanted to make you clear.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is the expectation of that SIH is that they have given that idea template. So that
Yes.
PPT template has to be followed very strictly, and they are telling that only 4 to 5 slides will be allowed, and you need to make it as a PPT, PDF in order to upload it in the registration portal. Okay, one thing I want to make you.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
your SAH problem statement number, PS number is 1284. Already the idea submitted under that is 2, as it is given in the portal, SAH portal. It is
Yes, ma'am.
given like that. nothing wrong in it, but you need to be competent enough in showing your solution. So
Yes, ma'am.
we have explained the problem well, that we could understand. But what is the thing is, what is the platform which you are going to use? Because they are expecting this as a software. So which
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
platform which you are going to use for that purpose? Okay, that need to be identified as early as possible. So you need to be clear in it. So what is the
Yes, ma'am.
software you are going to use for this purpose? So that
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to be specified in your PPT also. Remember it. Make a note of
Yes.
it also. While you have been submitting in the portal, while you have been registering, you need to be
Yes, ma'am.
mentioning it in the PPT.
PPT.
So that's what I need to state here.
Sure.
So reminding and all, it's okay, well and good. So your
Thank
teamwork, everybody is telling everything, so it is nice. But the thing is, the expectation from the part of SIH will be this only.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so when you go for again, when they have been asking to present in the next level and all, okay,
Yes.
they will be very keen on knowing what is the platform that you have been chosen and what sort of
Yes.
what sort of movement you have made over there, improvement you have made
Yes.
over there, how much you have proceeded, and how it is going to give you back. Okay, so the result and all, how you are going to verify those things, they will be keen in knowing about. So you need to
Yes.
proceed further. Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
you start working over that and proceed further. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
about my part. So it's okay, well and good. Congrats for your team.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
For the platform, we have decided to choose Android Studio for app development, ma'am. And
Okay.
as for the next thing you have said is about uh, for
Is it expecting only the mobile?
yes, ma'am. It's only app based, ma'am. Because web based, we need to maintain a continuous web server. If there's any issues, we need to like drop the whole server based on the dynamic or static
No,
server.
don't restrict yourself now, okay? Because they have been given a problem statement as to develop a software to develop a blockchain based evolve for legal records, and they have not having any restriction that it should be only within a mobile or so and all. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so make it generalized. As you have been working for the existing problem statement, make it generalized. Don't restrict
Okay,
yourself to the mobile now. Okay, so if you
okay,
have been
ma'am.
working for this particular statement, it cannot be made like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, be
We'll
clear
even
in it.
yes, ma'am.
Get the assistance from your mentor also. Try to have a discussion with them and then you proceed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your suggestions.